What is up, you guys? It's K-Swan with Road Rash Off-Road, and this weekend I am up in the mountains camping with some buddies. But recently I was approached by a company off of Amazon that asked me if I needed some LED tail lights for my Jeep and wanted me to review their product. So I started doing a little research. What's the benefits of having LED tail lights? One of the coolest things that I'm so excited about is how bright the backup light is, because if you're like me, you have a camera on the back of your Jeep, and I need a lot of light to flood that camera to be able to see things. So I immediately said, yes, I would love to review your LED tail lights. So they sent me a set of smoked out black LED tail lights. These are going to look so good on the back of the Jeep. I wanted to come up here and actually install them during my camping trip just to show you how easy it is to install these. It should just be a few screws with a Phillips head screwdriver and we're done. Let's open up the box, see what's in it. Let's open the box and see what's inside. So the model they gave to me was the black smoked out version of it. They're wrapped in this plastic to keep them from getting scratched, but everything looks to be very simple. The package comes with 2 lights, and then the heat sink here. Plug looks like it directly plugs straight into our existing OEM plug. Couple of screws and a mounting bracket. That's it. There's no directions, but I don't know that you actually need directions. You literally just screw it in and plug it in. Now, because I'm camping, I keep all my gear up on top, so I got to crawl up there, jump into my toolbox just to get a Phillips screwdriver. That's going to be the hardest part of getting this install done. Let's get up there and get it. That's it. Now the first thing we're going to do is just take our Phillips head screwdriver and take off these 2 inside screws here. So we should just be able to push this light into the door to unhinge it. There we go. And then that's it. There's a little tab right here. If we push that tab in, then we should be able to release . Let's look at the comparison in these 2. So if we look at these 2 lights side by side, the factory light and the new LED light, you're going to notice these are side specific. So Look at this light here. See how this part here is wider than this part here? The wider part is always going to go to the top of the Jeep. So this would be the driver's side piece. So to install the new one, the plug marries the OEM factory plug easily. It just plugs straight in, and that's it. Tuck these wires away. Line this up here. Put your screws back in. And it's literally that simple. With the Phillips head screwdriver, we just change this light right here in the camp in probably 10 minutes, maybe less. Let's see what it looks like. One with the new LED light bulb, one with the factory light bulb. So this is the driving lights, the DRLs, that just stay on as you're driving. Let's hit the blinker. That looks fantastic already. Now the important part. Let's see what our reverse lights look like. That's going to make a huge difference. We'll have to wait until nighttime to test it for sure. Such an easy install. Let's get the other one done. So I want to do a little side-by-side comparison between the stock tail lights and the new LED tail lights. So one thing to notice is just how bright these are, but also, now the big thing I wanted to see was the backup light. And I said if it was going to be any brighter than what my stock reverse lights are, I was going to have to keep them, because I need that light to flood my backup camera. And while they're not exactly as bright as I would like them, they are significantly brighter than what my OEM normal lights are. They are a lot brighter. And that was it, you guys. That was probably the easiest and most simple upgrade installation that you can do to your Jeep. It literally took 5 minutes to do this. And with one Phillips head screwdriver, we pulled off and removed our old tail lights here, replaced them with a brand new set of LED smoked out black. It looks beautiful on the back of the Jeep, right here at a campsite nonetheless. So if you guys are interested in buying a set of these LED light bulbs, I'm going to put them down in the description, the exact ones that this model is, and you guys can go on and purchase these yourself. They're fairly inexpensive, and it's a beautiful, beautiful upgrade. I'm so excited about these. See you on the next video.